Hello, I'm Marcia with Nature's Friends, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious rub for all your meats, pork, beef, chicken, lamb, whether you're cooking it on the grill or in the slow cooker or the oven. This is delicious. First of all, I'm going to show you quite many ingredients to purchase, but you don't have to buy as much as I did. I just went to Costco and got this. This will probably last a year or so, but it'll be great. This is turbinado sugar. It's raw cane sugar. And first of all, you will need 2 cups of that. So we're going to make up this. 2 cups of this natural raw sugar. So the way I first got my rub is my little brother made it and gave it to me as a Christmas present. And I loved it so much that I have to do my own and give it as gifts. So thank you, Clark. So next we have kosher salt. We want 2 cups of that also. But I did a pork roast in the slow cooker with this, and it was amazing. The key is, if you're cooking a big piece of meat, use a lot. Don't be afraid to put it on there. Pack it on there. Now, if you're just got some chicken breast or thighs or something like that, or lamb chop, that you don't want to overdo it, because you see all the salt in here, but it'd be probably the amount that you would put on say the salt. If you were just salting it, that's what you would do. So we're going to do a 1/2 cup of black pepper. Let's find the pepper right here. So 1/2 cup. I may have to grab some more. Last time I put a little bit more pepper than what I wanted, so I'm cutting back a bit. Because you don't want to burn your mouth, so I'm going to grab a little bit more black pepper here. Alright, let's get our 1/2 cup of black pepper here. Oh yeah, that looks good too. And if you like to grind your own pepper with your peppercorns, that would be great also. Okay. So there's our pepper. Now we're going to go down to 1/4 cups of stuff. So there's a lot of ingredients here, but that's what makes it so good. So this is pourable brown sugar. It's kind of hard to come by. But I did end up finding it at Food Lion. So we want 1/4 cup of this. This keeps it from clumping. These are kind of little balls of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of that. Now we want garlic powder. My brother makes this at 1 gallon at a time because he loves cooking. He cooks a lot of ribs and Boston butts, so you could, I guess, double your amount if you want it, if you are big into grilling and barbecuing. So there's our garlic powder. So we want the same of onion powder. Oh, this smells so good. You can just imagine this on all your meat, the flavor it's going to give it. So there's our onion.
It's good.
Yeah, you've had it, haven't you, sweetie? Okay, cumin. You all know cumin is a wonderful smell. Adds a lot of flavor. I put it in my chili when I make it. Used to not. My son-in-law taught me that, to put a little cumin in the chili. It really is good. All right, now paprika. If you have smoky paprika, and if you like stuff really spicy, I even had some hot paprika up in the cabinet, but I was like, nah. I like my dad. I still cook for Dad a lot, and he doesn't like things too hot. So there's 1/4 cup of paprika. So now our cayenne, we don't want as much because that's where our heat's going to come from. So we're just going to do a tablespoon of cayenne. And now we're going to do, my brother said, Marcia, put a little bit of cocoa in there, about a tablespoon of cocoa powder. And I was like, okay, if you say so, because I sure love yours. So there we go. That is our ingredients right there. Yep. So you're going to mix this. And what I'm going to do with this batch is put it in jars because I want to give it as Christmas gifts. It's October and it's time to start thinking about that. You don't want to wait till the last minute. But you just mix it up good like that, and you have a pretty jar, got a pretty blue jar or something that you want to set out. But I use this a lot, and especially, you know, when we cook chicken every week, several times a week. Just sprinkle some of that on your chicken or your spare ribs or probably even your beef roast. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm sure it would be wonderful.
Wouldn't that be on fish?
I think it would be delicious if you just don't put too much. Lightly sprinkle it, like as if you were putting salt on it.
We got some salmon we'll try that with.
I think it would be great on that thick salmon pieces. It would be wonderful. So there you go. And also my brother told me, so if I had a lamb roast, I'd put this on there. Well, people love rosemary with their lamb. So you can chop up your herbs, fresh herbs. If you're doing poultry, chop up some sage along with this rub. So a month ago I made this and I shared some with my brother, and it's loose, it's great. So what I'm going to do is show you all how to make some Christmas gifts. So you can take any kind of, if you have buy you some pretty little jars, just fill them up. Use the bigger ones, they don't take all day. All right, here we go. But everybody in the family always look forward to my brother's gift. So I'm going to give it to my friends. So there you go. And if whatever ribbon you've got at home, I found this stretch cord at Walmart. And what I'm going to do is I had these other little bows. So I'm going to tie this around and then attach my little bow to it. Just kind of show y'all some ideas. So I have to have something to attach this to. Because my
It's the middle of October, so you know what she's thinking about.
Oh, I've definitely. When you have a grandchild, you know, Christmas is amazing. Alrighty. Have to cut some of that off. Hang on. But you've probably got some ribbon at home, some pretty ribbon, just whatever you've got. Maybe put your label on it, a little label, and customize it. But there you go. And who wouldn't want to get a jar of this wonderful stuff? I know I always loved it. So there you go. Pretty simple, guys. All those ingredients you should be able to find at the grocery store. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, email us at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com.
Or comment on the video.
Or, yeah,
and
comment.
Subscribe.
And please subscribe if you like our videos. Thank you. Till next time.